Alright guys, Donnie just wanted to say thank you. I've got an audio file Ron sent me and Donnie just sent me one, so we'll go ahead and listen to them together. So here's the one he sent Ron.
Hey Ron, it's Donnie. I just made it out of surgery, brother. You're like the third person that I called. And anyways, man, love you, bro. I know we never met, and I'm so happy that I know you, and you've done so much for me, man. I mean, I don't know what to say. I just really appreciate it. But I got out of surgery, brother. Bad pain, so they're just doping me up right now. So, alright, man. If you ever need anything, let me know, Ron. I really appreciate it, man. Alright, talk to you soon. If you talk to Dan, let him know I'm out finally. I'll get a hold of Captain Cook there, Neil, as well, so.
Alright, here's the one Donnie just sent to me, guys.
I'll make this quick right now, Dan. I just made it out of surgery, buddy. So, and I just want to say thanks to you guys for doing those live streams and all that, man. It helped me out because it cost me almost $100 just to get to the doctor for transportation. That's crazy. It's like 60-something bucks, man. So, and then it'll probably cost another 60-something bucks to get back. So, anyways, all right, everything went okay. I'm just in a lot of pain. They're monitoring me because of the blood clots and all that. So, all right, brother. Love you, little bro. I appreciate it, man. I contacted Heath, and thanks again. And I'm just gonna have him keep doping me up on painkillers right now, so I can breathe because it hurts. All right, buddy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Alright, what's going on there, guys? If you guys don't know, Donnie, Big Drone Flyer 77, is a good friend of ours. We've been doing this GoFundMe. Ron's been doing bidding. I've been giving him shout-outs and live stream stuff to help his GoFundMe account. As you can see, guys, we've done pretty good, $727, and I assume he's taken a little bit out since then. I did go ahead and send him $90 directly through PayPal when all this started. 80 of that was from Ron. $10 of that was from Stephen Merritt, and then I threw in 20 on top. So I also donated to the campaign, and so Donnie's doing much better. And then Ron is doing the bidding for the his Q500, which I believe is up to almost $260 now. So Donnie should also be getting that. So I think Donnie somewhere at this point has made close to around $1,100 altogether on this whole support Donnie thing. And guys, he's a big supporter of all of us that are in the drone community. So he's still not out of the woods yet, man. He's got a long recovery ahead of him. He's still going to need some financial assistance. So I do want to do one more video here, guys. If you can donate some more, please do. GKF, I want to say, a buddy of mine is also wanting to do a bid for an item. I believe he's going to be putting out a video here pretty soon, so when he drops that link on me, I'll go ahead and get that to you guys so you can start the bidding on his, and we'll get all that figured out. But thank you everyone who has supported Donnie up to this point, man. It means a lot. I will go ahead and put the donate to Donnie link again below if you guys want to do the GoFundMe for Donnie. If you can pitch in any more, that would be completely awesome, man. Donnie is still, like I said, not out of the woods on this yet. I'm glad to see he's out of surgery again. They're monitoring his blood clots. He's doing a lot better. So once again, guys, Donnie still needs our help, but I want to thank everyone who has been involved in this so far. You guys are completely awesome. So big thank you from me, Donnie, Ron, everybody else that's involved, Captain Cook, anyone that has donated. You guys are completely awesome, man. Don't think you're not. You are helping Donnie out in a big way. So anyways, guys, drone worship, I'm out. I got to get to work here. Like I said, I'll put the link for Donnie's GoFundMe again below. I'll also drop Ron's bidding war. I think this is the last day today. Tomorrow is, I believe, the last day you can bid officially on it. I believe it's up to $260. It is easily a $500 drone. The proceeds from it go to Donnie when it's over with, and you guys exchange money and do all that fun stuff. So anyways, guys, I'll put that link below, and hopefully GKF gets back to me so that we can get his bidding going. And thank you for all the love and support you guys have shown Donnie and everyone else here that's in the community, man. You guys are awesome. Just awesome. All right, guys, I'm out of here, man. Toodaloo.